That's an external view. So welcome to the Lincolnshire Aviation Museum. I might have got the title slightly wrong, but it's a live airfield, and the highlight is Avro Lancaster. That's in here, and that is one hell of an impressive piece of kit. I believe they wheel it out and they can turn on the engines. It doesn't fly, but it looks amazing. It's a bomb bay. Just quickly walk back. I'm not walking the wrong way because this is during the COVID pandemic. So I should only be walking one way. So there's a mosquito further back. On our far side are loads of engines and equipment that's been recovered from crashed planes, various, mainly English, but also a couple of German. So propellers and bits of a kit. And then this side they've got lots more personal items and radio equipment. And I'll finish this clip, not with a bus, but with a bomb. So I've got 3 here. High explosive bomb, £8,000, which I think I've seen before. And then the tall boy, excuse me, I'm going to go past this man. I'll come back to that. And this 4,000 high capacity bomb, which I'm not familiar with either. That's the mosquito. Oh, hang on. Let me show the dam buster bomb. So I'm holding it about chin height so you can see how tall it is. So it comes up just above my waist. Let's just finish off with the tall boy. It's a Lancaster again. I know I'm into detail. There's an awful lot of little bits of detail in here, which is very impressive. I'm only seeing a fraction of the site so far. So that's a tall boy. £12,000. Annoyingly, I keep forgetting to video stuff because I'm rushing. I got here late. Only had just over 2 hours. There's various displays. I don't know how original this is. Oh, it is. It says 1940s blast shelter. So it doesn't go down, does it? No. So literally, it's just to shield you against any explosions on the airfield. Well, this is the first. My phone camera has run out of battery for some reason. I'm not sure what happened there. So I was going to finish off coming from the blast shelter. The airstrip, as it is today, is over in that direction. There's various buildings that are painted in, for want of a better expression, camouflage. And I'll go and have a look over there. I don't know how good this camera's going to react. This is my DSLR camera. Now, this is 2 separate rooms, but this is very impressive. So it's the internal workings of the wing of the Wellington, and I think Lancaster, but I'll just double check. The detail. Oh, these are fuel tanks still in place. So Wellington 1AL 775. No, the bits at the end are from a Lancaster, I think. Oh no, that's all Wellington. I'm a liar. It's amazing. I've never seen the insides of a wing before. Okay, let's see close-ups. Jeez, it's even got pipe work, look. The linking pipe. Alright, this is a Hamden. That's what it looks like. This is under repair. Let's take my lens shield off. They've got these grills and other things which makes it very hard to photograph. It's me being selfish. This is the story. This is one of the projects I assume they're working on. This is something I've never heard of before. Aircraft arrestor gear. So this was an experimental device. There's two put on these runway, but see, it's a massive piece of kit. So there's one at each end of the runway. The aim was to slow down planes, I assume. Anyway, I believe this is the only original building. So this is the control tower, base, whatever you want to call it. It looks very World War II film-y, if you know what I mean. So I'm trying to quickly get to the front. There you go. I've seen many a film with men standing on the top there, looking out for planes coming back. According to the information I was reading on somewhere else, is that often the ground crew, when they'd finish their shift, would often hang around here, waiting to see the return of their air crew. So that's the main hangar over there with the Lancaster in. Some small microlight types of planes there. I went inside, so I didn't see what happened with them. I'm assuming they've taken off. It seems to be like the identification panel, I assume. I don't know a lot, do I? I must admit, I came here planned like Z today. It wasn't on my plan when I got out of bed, so I didn't do a lot of reading.